Hello, I'm Jeff Jones, President and COO of Orscheln Products, and welcome to our Manufacturing Day. We're happy to have you here today, and I hope you get a lot out of today and you become intrigued enough that you'll pursue a career in manufacturing. Here at Orscheln Products, we offer a wide variety of opportunities for careers, from assembly to welding to robot operation to engineering to HR, sales, marketing, purchasing, you name it. That's one of the things I love about manufacturing, is because you have so many opportunities to grow. I've personally been blessed to have spent most of my career in manufacturing and enjoyed every minute of it. So I feel very blessed with the opportunities that I've had personally. At Orscheln Products, we design and manufacture a lot of different products for a lot of different applications, many of which are safety related. We make products for airplanes, for buses, for trucks, for tanks, for boats, agriculture, and construction equipment. So we make a wide variety of products for a wide variety of markets. So we're blessed with that. And we take great pride in the products that we serve and the markets that we serve. And anyone who works here could do the same. We're very proud of the products that we make. And we have a lot of fun doing it. We have a family atmosphere that's very team oriented. We keep our employees engaged and involved. So as you consider your future, I hope you consider manufacturing as an opportunity. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day with the Orscheln presentation.
Well, I'm Bob Orscheln, and I'm CEO of Orscheln Products. Orscheln started with the invention of the over-the-center parking brake, still used today. My grandfather and his brothers were farmers. The business wasn't going so well, and one day a grocer in one town asked them to take some bread to another town. That started Orscheln truck lines. They had some problems with their parking brakes, and the truck ran into the Missouri River. That caused Al to invent that parking brake. Our current markets are heavy-duty truck, agriculture, construction, aerospace, military, and marine. Our major products are electronic shift controls and mechanical shift controls, FLIs, parking brakes obviously, actuators, control cables, push-pull. It's a controls business, and as it stands, about 80% of those controls are safety critical. Every product that we produce, we treat it like it's going to go in our vehicle. Our kids would be at risk. In some cases, we are driving these vehicles, so we want safety to be number one. There's no way we will ever sacrifice quality for a sale. As part of our vision, our mission, we have to absolutely continue to change and get better. My grandfather and his brothers were willing to take significant risk to build this business today. I'm third generation. We have challenges ahead of us, but we have a team that's willing to meet them. We're about solving problems. So give us those opportunities and we'll do a great job for you.
Orscheln Products has designed and manufactured solutions for aerospace and defense for 75 years. Orscheln is dedicated to providing the aerospace sector with standard products and custom-designed solutions. Struts and hold-open rods provide superior performance during ground operations. Flight control cables are designed to meet the demanding needs of aircraft specifications and testing requirements. Orscheln has a wide range of standard and custom control cables. Many core and conduit combinations are available based on the load and efficiency needed. Metallic and polymer materials are designed with lightweight and long-life performance factors in mind. Each push-pull or ball bearing cable is 100% tested according to strict FAA requirements. Orscheln designs custom cable and control mechanisms to meet OEM expectations. Our in-house testing lab has wide capabilities such as vibration, extreme temperature, cyclic, and environment. Contact Orscheln Products for high-performance value solutions for your defense and aerospace equipment programs.
My name is Sarah Tosin. I like working at Orscheln's because the people are friendly. The work is not hard. I can walk across the street if instead of driving if I wanted to. What else was it?
How many years have you been here?
I've been here 46 years.
What made you stick around for 46 years?
The money's good. The atmosphere is good.
What do you think it takes to be a good employee to work here?
Just doing your work and being here when you're supposed to. Not missing a lot of days.
Good.
And just anticipating in a lot of stuff.
Orscheln has designed and produced reliable, safety-critical control solutions for OEM commercial vehicles since 1946, leveraging over 70 years of transportation industry experience and success. Today, OEMs are challenged to develop the next generation of zero-emission vehicles. Orscheln makes it easy with our proven solutions. Reduce your total cost of ownership with Orscheln driver controls, throttles, brake and accelerator pedal clusters, shift selectors, park brake systems, mechanical controls, and coolant fluid transfer tubes. You can use these tested and field-proven solutions for your zero-emission vehicles, reducing your development time. Look to Orscheln for design, testing, validation, and manufacturing to provide comprehensive powertrain solutions for your commercial vehicles globally. Let's work together towards a greener future. Get started at orschelnproducts.com.
What I like about working at Orscheln's is it's a family-oriented business. They really look out for the people. We're not just a clock number. They do a lot of extra stuff to make sure the people are comfortable. I've worked here 18 years. They do promote from within. That's how I got into the supervisor's job that I'm in now. There's 2 other supervisors that has been promoted within, and I think that's a big plus.
Hi guys, welcome to Manufacturing Day 2021. My name's Lindsay Land and I'm the HR recruiter and coordinator here at Orscheln Products in Moberly. Just as Jeff mentioned earlier, we have a ton of great opportunities available here at Orscheln Products. Just as a few examples, some of the current positions that we have open are purchasing manager, warehouse operator, software engineer, manufacturing electrical engineer, assembly operators, expediter positions. The possibilities truly are endless. Even if you're not sure what you want to do after high school, or you don't plan to pursue your education after you get out of high school, we have positions that are available at an entry level that allows you to get your foot in the door at a great company and work your way up from there if you want to. We also have opportunities available if you're home over the summers from college and are looking for a good summer job. We have those opportunities available for you as well. We would love to talk to you about the career options that we have here at Orscheln Products, so reach out if you think you're interested. Have a great day.